This is Vasumit Banchoria, computer teacher. Welcome to online classes session 2020-21. Now, student, today we'll start a new topic, network topology. What do you mean by topology? That computers are connecting with each other with different art of connecting. This is known as a topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which the nodes, means the computers and other devices of a network, are linked together. It determines the data path which may be used between any pair of nodes in a network. So here, while configuring the network with our personal computer, laptop and any other peripheral devices, we are having some different types of art. That art means this art is very useful for us also, and some disadvantages also for this topology. And here basic three types of topologies are there: star topology, ring topology and bus topology. Now come to the star topology. In a star topology, all the nodes are connected to a central system called switch, which forward data towards its final destination. The switch controls the communication on the network. Here students see the figure star topology. See, in between one switch box is given here, and all system number 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, computer 5, like this all the computers are connected with only one switch. This switch configure and this switch helps all the computers to connect each other. Then advantages of star topology. Star topology has minimal line cost. If any of the local computer fails, the remaining portion of the network remains unaffected. Here advantages means it is very minimum in line cost, and that if system number 5 failed, or computer is having some hang problem or some problem, that in that case system number 1, 2, 3, 4 will work same as earlier, work as it is, but only 5 failed, then it will not harm to any other computer and not affected to any other computer will work. Then disadvantages of star topology. The system crucially depends on the central switch. If it fails, the entire network goes down. Here in figure C, computer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the computers connected with switch, and this switch is fail to connect all the computers, it will not work and the computer not network with each other. Now come to the ring topology. In a ring topology, the nodes are connected in a closed loop so that each device is connected to two other devices, one either side. The computers in a ring topology are connected in the shape of closed rings. Data travels only in one direction in a ring. Each computer passes the data to the next computer on the line automatically. So here see, ring topology image is given here. All the computers are connected with each other. Means suppose if you are numbering one computer, so one computer connected to second computer and one computer connected to sixth computer, and see all the data is passed in one direction only. In a ring topology, all the data is passed in only one direction only, and ring topology shape is shape is there and connected with each other. Advantages: the ring topology work well where there is no central side computer system. So here advantages is one computer connected to another computer. So here no centralized means switch system is not required here, and it is connected with each other with central side computer system, and it is more reliable than star topology, because star topology is having one switchboard, and that switchboard, if that switchboard is not working, then all the computers networking is not able to work. Disadvantage of ring topology: the ring network requires more complicated control software. If failure of one node result in the failure of the entire network. The disadvantages of this ring topology is if any one computer failed, so it affects all the computers. Now come to the bus topology. In a bus topology, all the nodes are connected to a central cable called bus. In bus topology, a bus in a single continuous cable. Transmission from any node travel the length of the bus in both directions and can be received by all the other nodes in a network. The bus has terminated at either ends which observe the signals removing it from the bus. To see the picture, this blue line is a bus cable and bus topology cable, and this how connect the system. See, at the down one system is connected, then up one system is connected, and the down also one system is connected, and upstairs. So like this the system is connected with each other. So advantages, it is quite easy to set up. Only one bus cable we want, and that bus topology we connected all the computers. And advantages, failure of one node does not affect the rest of the network. Here if some system number 4 failed or if system number 2 failed, so all the computers will remain and work. It will not affect any other computer. Disadvantages, it offers limited flexibilities. Means configuration of network, it wants some flexibility, and a signal on the bus must be strong enough to reach the receiver. So here through one bus we are connecting the computer. So we have to keep the signal very high range. Suppose if the signal is very low, then the data transmission is very low there. Like this all the topologies are there. Now come to the protocol. Protocol means define the communication rules. Protocol means suppose we are sending our message to another computer through network. So our computer is also have one address, and another computer is also have to one address. So suppose we are sending a message through WhatsApp. Suppose this is the example. Suppose we are sending the message to our friend. So we are having we have one contact number of our friends to whom we are sending. Like this the computers, when we are transmitting the data, the computer that sending and receiving both are having the both have to one address, and this address is known as IP address. IP address is a protocol by which data is sent from one computer to another on internet. Each computer on the internet has at least one IP address that uniquely identifies it from the other computers on the internet. When you send or receive data, the message gets divided into form of packets. These packets contain both the sender and receiver IP address. The internet protocol just delivers them. Here how the message were sent to your friend. Suppose you are sending some email, some pictures to your friend by email through internet connection. So your computer is having one IP address and your friend computer is having one IP address. While sending the mail, while sending the data to your friend computer through the email ID, so that email ID or some internet connection, that internet connection is having that computer is having one uniquely IP address, and that address your data send a message and get divided into packets. Little packets, the message convert into packets, and these packets is having the sender and receiver's IP address, and through this IP address all the message we are sending the other computer. Then transmission control protocol. It is a protocol that puts the packets back into the right order. Suppose we are sending a packet and this packet transmission protocol will arrange the packets in how we send the message, like this. Then hypertext transfer protocol. It is a set of rules of transferring files, text, graphic, images, sound, like this. If you want to transferring the files, and here in HTTP we have to use World Wide Web. As soon as a user open the web browser, the user is directly making use of HTTP. Suppose HTTP is an application protocol that runs on the top of TCP and IP protocols, both the protocols where HTTP is using. And this HTTP means, suppose we are opening one website, any website. If you are opening that website, we are writing, suppose we are opening the amazon.com, so we are writing the address www.amazon.com, and that amazon.com connected with HTTP, and HTTP bring the website. That website is stored in our internet use library. That server, that library server, the HTTP connect the Amazon website, and then Amazon website we are able to access. Like this it works. Now come to the exercise question. This exercise question you have to write in your notebook. Multiple choice question. Interconnected of various devices is called networking. Peripheral devices connected to the network called resources. In which topology all the nodes are connected in a shape of closed loop ring. Now fill in the blanks. A network can be used of any size. Here the answer is little invisible, so you have to go through the chapter first and then find the answer. Your computer is a workstation on the network. A NIC has a port where the network cable plugs in. A MAN is a collection of local area network within a city. A star topology has minimum line cost. Write the full form of the following. All the full form here, all the question 1 to 6, 1 to 7, all the question answer full form is given in the chapter. So please you find out the answer from that, because here answer is not visible properly, not properly visible. So you find out. Then come to the quiz. Name the computer which serves or distributes the file to the network user. It is server. Name the topology in which all the nodes are connected to the central system. It is star topology. And here very short and long question